I feel like a bobblehead. This is one of my favorite reactions that just happened at Alma Sana just last week, but it's actually pretty common. People are just like, woo! Being able to actually utilize and access their spine as they're supposed to. One thing when it comes to care is that it's important to be able to bridge my people back to a place of power and back to a place of reconnection. As fact of the matter with use it or lose it as a principle, it's being able to access more motion to our body, not from a muscular sense, not just from a fascial sense, not just from a movement sense, but it's also a coming back sense as well too. As one of my favorite appreciations of the body is just how adaptable it is. Because the more adaptable it is, the more access we have to life. The more access we have to life, the more levels that we unlock in life that we can just be able to enjoy and play with. And that just might be cervical extension, because that wasn't available to people and they didn't know that they needed it. But you don't know what you don't know. So that's why it's important to be able to assess what you do know, but also what you may not know through just range of motion, but also being able to relax and actually find out what does it feel to be home. So if you felt like a stranger in your own body, or if you feel like you may not have access to certain parts of your body and of your mind, and if you're open to being able to explore, or if you have your mind blown of what's available when you get adjusted or when your body starts to come online to itself, feel free to drop it in the comments below and let's chop it up about it.